Alright everybody, today we're doing an installation for earpads on the Sennheiser HD300. Okay, some pre-installation. Basically, the way the earpad attaches is, on the back of the earpad you have a skirting here, and this skirting basically slides into the slot right here on the side of the headphones, and then it basically suction cups. Once you get the whole thing on, it sticks to it like this. Now, these earpads, the originals, have a little R or L on the back of them on the skirting, so you know which one is for which side. And obviously you have the little R, oh, can we see it here? The little R here. Oh, that's really little, you can see it right there. Or the L over here on this side, and you can tell which side has the earpad. So today we are installing the new Accessory House Global earpads for the HD300 headphones. The installation will be the same for any other earpads you've most likely bought if you're not using these specific ones. So it will apply to whatever. So the first thing we want to do is remove the old earpads, and that is going to just simply take your fingers and your thumb and you're going to just pinch and then peel. And then pinch and then peel. When you're going to be installing these earpads, depending on who you've bought them from, our earpads have the scrims with the L and the R on them. And then you just have to match it to the L and the R, which is listed here on the side of the headphone arm or headband. If you've bought from someone else, like say you bought original Sennheiser pads, you might find the L on the skirting on the back and the R on the skirting on the back, right there. If it's someone else, I don't know. The thing is though, is the earpads are exactly the same, so they should fit on either side. So before we actually start installing the earpads, we want to look at the back skirting, and basically this is the original earpad here. So you can see on the back skirting here, it's a bit flimsy, or it's been stretched out. It's not flat, like on the new set right here, it's flat. So that's because it's been stuck to the headphones, and basically the skirting has adapted to the shape of the headphone frame. So when you get new earpads, you don't have that. So the first thing we want to do is actually stretch the skirting on the back. So we're going to grab it like this, just pinching it with our fingers, and we're going to stretch it all the way along, all the way around. And then when we're done that, we're going to stretch it like this as well. Now you can see there's a lip on there, which is what we want, and it's been stretched out. So it should make the installation easier. So to start the earpad installation, you're going to take the corner of the earpad and you're going to aim for the corner of the headphone frame. This is the right earpad on the right side. And you just want to slide it in that top corner here, like so. Then you're going to hold that down with your other hand. In my case, it's my left hand. And then I'm going to take my fingers or my finger and my thumb, and I'm just going to squeeze the pad here, and I'm going to lift up. Now with your fingers here, you want to get them right under so that it's like here. You can see where you can see my finger there. It's not into the foam, it's into the skirting at the back. That give you make it a lot easier to get the skirting into the slot. There we go. Now, once I have that in, I'm gonna have to rotate it around. So I'm gonna hold it, change hands, hold it again, and now I'm going again. And if you have anything like this, where it's sticking out, you can just pinch and pull up and try and get that to fold in. If that doesn't work, what you do at the end is you can take your fingernail and you can go around the edge, and you can just do this. Slide your fingernail through that gap and it should fit in. Might have to do it a couple times. There we go. So we have this on. You can see it's in the slot all the way around. Now the last thing I want to do is, as it's the right side and it's the wired side, you're just going to look at the bottom, and you want that bottom seam to match up with the cable. So pretty much there. You can see in here, the R looks pretty level. Right, other side. Stretch it first. You don't gotta overstretch it, just stretch it lightly. And then out. If you stretch it too much, it will no longer grip into the headphones. Top corner, yep. That is in. Whoops. And now we're going up and in. This one, flipping it around. So I have that one piece right here that's not in yet. I'm gonna use my fingernail. Slide across. If it doesn't go in, just pull it back in spot, into place. There we go. It's the left side now. You can see it is all in. And now I'm just going to look here. It looks pretty level to me. And if you want to move it, you just have to grab it and twist it, or you can put your palm on it and just do that. It slides really easy. Other than that, that is it. All done.
Just for being awesome, you get 20% off your next purchase from AHG. Use code AHG20 off at checkout and you're good to go.